Oh, little man. How have you been doing today? No words? Okay. It's been his hips the last few times. Just at the sacrum. Good job. How's his head been holding? Pretty good?
It's been better.
Yeah, it looked good in it.
Favors
Yeah, but it's not crazy. Check your head out. Holding your head on straight. Oh yeah, I feel that one. You're mommy's cutest or aren't you? That's way better. So bring it back up. Okay. There it is right there.